Hey everyone, it's Tar and welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out this polygel kit by Morovan. This kit was sent to me for review, but I will be giving you my honest thoughts because there's a couple things I didn't like too much, but there were a lot of things I really did like. So first thing in the box, there's a user manual. One of the polygels in here is a cat eye magnetic gel, and then another user manual with big nice pictures for the regular polygels. It came with a hand file, and it came with a little brush. This brush, I've actually never had one like this before. It doesn't have a spatula on the end, but I don't use those no way. But it's like a little travel size brush. Also came with some dual forms. I'm not going to be using those today, but it is those more flat dual forms that, most people do like. So that's a plus that those are in there. And it looks like there was like 5 of each size in individual bags. And next there was in these little candy bags, super cute, some little clips for the dual forms. And it's so crazy that there's only like 3 in here because I was literally saying in another video that when they give you like 10 clips, you ain't finna use all them at once. I mean, once you have on 9 clips, how are you even gonna put the 10th one on? So next thing you get is this slip solution, and it came in its own little box and everything. It's like super fancy, super nice slip solution right there. Guys, if you hear any like chewing or slurping in the back, my baby is right next to me chewing on some little chew stick she has. So next thing you get is a little double-sided magnet for the the magnetic polygel. And next we have the bag of the big goodies that we've all been waiting for, the reason that you would buy this kit. Alrighty, so it also came with the acid-free primer. I was really surprised to see that. A base coat. You get a top coat as well. And then here's the polygels. I am going to show you what they look like already swatched in just a minute here. So that's all 6 of them. First, I am actually going to show you this lamp. This lamp actually, I was really surprised by this lamp. So it says 2-in-1 because it can do 24 watt, which is the, lighter for more sensitive nails, and the 48 watt. And you guys, it says if you don't follow directions, it could cause death. I think what it meant though was it could cause one of the little lights to burn out if you rub over it, is what it was saying. But it straight up said death. Like, okay, it's a bit extreme. So then you get a little instructions for the lamp. But I think we all know how to use the lamp. You plug it in and stick your hand in there and you cure what you need to cure, girl. So it comes with a little cord, of course. And then at the top of it, you have the different power functions, the 60-second, 30-second, 5-second, and it does have the magnetic removable bottom. But what I really like about this lamp is how close to the edge all of the lights are, which means when your thumb is in there, it's going to get fully cured. And I like that this lamp is kind of compact size. Like, it's not a big, huge, bulky lamp like some of, the more standard ones are. But it's also not that little teeny tiny one that has the little feet, the little legs on the bottom. And here are the 6 polygels. I went ahead and just swatched them already very quickly for you. And you can see the one on the far right is the magnetic one. I completely forgot to try and, do a like magnetic thingy with it. But I'm not that good at those anyway, so I have my tips applied already, and I'm actually going to be using the acid-free primer that came in this kit to go over the top of the tips to make them not so smooth and shiny. You want them to be a little bit sticky, or you can just buff them so that they're not a smooth surface and your polygel can stick to them. If you do not prep your nail tips, I mean, I've seen a lot of people who don't, but I choose to because whenever I personally don't prep my nail tips, that polygel come lift right off. Like, it will just lift right off the next day. So I'm going to be doing just a kind of a simple look for you guys today. It's not going to be too much of a tutorial, but more so you can just watch me do this set, and I'm just testing out the polygels, and then at the end I will give my thoughts on the polygel, because I do have thoughts on some of the different ones that I used. But yeah, I will just put on some type of music, y'all, and you know, let you guys watch this set. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit so it's not super duper long, and I will come back with my thoughts. All right, you guys, I am back and hopefully you enjoyed watching that set be created. So right now I'm just putting on the top coat and I will go ahead and give you guys my thoughts on this entire polygel kit. So I really loved the pink polygel. It's like a nude, a perfect pink nude, where it's not super see-through and it's not like just completely pink. It's super easy to work with. It was that stiffness that I like, but it also was really pliable. The green glitter one, I absolutely did not like using that one. It was super watery, very sticky. It was like the older style polygels when they first came out. To work this one, I think it would be best if you use a base gel coat as your slip solution instead of alcohol. And the light green, the slime green one, dream to work with. So easy to work with. It was stiff and it worked well with a slip solution. It didn't stick to my brush. I did end up switching about halfway through to this other polygel brush that I have that's a little bit thicker. But overall, I absolutely love these polygels. Definitely pick them up. And you guys will absolutely love this kit. I'll see you in the next one.